What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe and like if you like the content. Pretty much today we'll be talking about cleaning that suede on the show. I think it pretty much applies to other cars as well, other type of fabric, but it's a pretty good cleaner. I'm going to show you guys what I got, where I got it from, and how I get it done. Let's go. So in the box, no, you don't get an extension cord in the box, guys, but you get pretty much 4 different heads. There's a small one, there's a medium, and there's a round looking one. So you get those in the baggie, and you also get the cleaning solution here. It's from Aero Cosmetics. Interior cleaner, carpet, seats, leather, and vinyl. Used it on another car, it worked pretty well, so just decided to show you guys today. So I'll put the price in the description as well. Hold it right there. Total $18 and some change. Just wanted to show you guys how dirty this one was. So I tried to like wipe it off at first with a dry towel, just to kind of get some of the dust off. But I wanted you to see. So pretty much what I did, I did not use the adapters and the brushes, just because the suede is super sensitive and delicate. So I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the brush first. And the reason why I'm doing that is I have nothing to lose. If it doesn't work with the brush, with the towel, then I'll go ahead and I'll move on. I already had one of my towels here that I put in water, and I dried out as far as squeezing it, and that's what I'm going to use pretty much to clean it up. That's supposed to absorb as much dirt as possible from the top, and then I fold it back the other way, making sure that I'm not using, the dirty side all along. So when that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll turn the towel back to its clean side, like that, and I'll go ahead and I'll scrub some more. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get my dry towel. I'll fold it up, and I'll do the same thing. Pretty much the dry towel is supposed to absorb whatever dirt and debris were left behind. Starting to come up good. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna step back a little bit here. Wow, this is really good. My only problem with those is just to make sure it lasts. Look at that, man. It looks good. I'm gonna let it dry, and we should be good to go. So I'm going to use my dry, you can see the dirt on the side. I'm using the dry white one now, which I'm sacrificing. gonna put that there. I'll put a brand new white one there so you can see that it did pick up a lot of the dirt. I mean, it's amazing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and should be able to look pretty good. I'm gonna go around and show you the driver's side, because I have the sun beating on that side. So look at that. So with the sun beating on this one, I mean, it worked magic. I'm gonna go ahead and still use my dry white towel to wipe most of it off. This side has the sun beating on it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll move the car a little bit, or I'll put something to cover that side up so the sun doesn't beat on it. So I went ahead and found some kind of foamy deal there, and I covered that up, so should be good. You can see how I kind of covered that side, because like I said, I'd rather it dry up away from the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll spray it again, try to wipe it back up, because I don't want it to dry and be all faded out. So, but it seemed to be working pretty good. Seemed to have worked. So yeah, we'll give it a bit more time, and then we'll check the rear seat again. Guys, massive difference. Again, the seat is still damp, so we'll let it dry out, but it's a massive difference. And you can even see like the spots that had the water or whatever he spilled on there, or juice. It's completely gone. So again, I mean, I'll definitely recommend, and we'll do a follow-up video as far as how the seat held, and if it kind of messes with the integrity of the seat or the fabric down the road, and depending on how much or how often you're using. So yeah, guys, it looks really good. I'll go ahead and I'll do the other side. I recommend doing all four. You know, it's kind of like those, it's kind of like if you're doing your tires, you know, you just go ahead and you just check the air on all of them, kind of deal. You don't overinflate or anything like that. But the ones that are not too dirty, like that one, you just slightly spray it, and then you're a little bit gentle when you're scrubbing it. But yeah, guys, I recommend doing all of them, so you can kind of keep track of when you did what, when, where, and it will help you have a better feel as far as how it all turns out after a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll finish that one, and yeah, guys, you've got to see this. Look at that. It's already all dry to the touch. Look how clean that is. Well, that's it, guys. Definitely worth it. Every single penny. Don't forget to go ahead and check that seller out. It's a pretty cool seller. Again, I'm not paid or anything to advertise, so I'm just giving you guys my pretty fair opinion. But yeah, guys, definitely for $18 with the brush, or for about $9 or $12 without the brush, you're all set to go. So don't forget to check it out. Thanks for the support again. I cannot say it enough, guys. Thanks so much for the support. Really appreciate it. The channel keeps on growing, and we'll keep the content coming. If this helps you, go ahead and thumbs up, and don't forget to share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody stay blessed. Cheers.